get a lot of inquiries from people wanting me to make them a video for their business. And there was a time when that was my sole business. I would listen to their ideas, provide feedback, help structure things, and then do the job. And there was also a time when simply posting a video on social media would bring your brand or business massive awareness. That'd work pretty much just for being a video. And in my opinion, that early success has conditioned a lot of people to fail long term. Nowadays, right now, it's different, and I'll explain in a second why. But first, when things change, you need to understand that as humans, we don't like it. Our default position is to hate change. I've been doing what I've doing for a long time, and even though it's not working how it used to, I don't want to change. I want the world to go back to how it was. This is clearly a crazy way to think. But I see this exact scenario being played out across industries, real estate being a big one. The same boring videos target such a small percentage of their potential audience. They're literally leaving armor guard trucks worth of cash unclaimed. So things have changed. Social media, for starters, it's a thing. You're seeing this now because of it. But just making video and posting won't save your business. Firstly, there are way more videos around, so it's a crowded marketplace. The platforms are smarter. They're built on data and judge content based on reactions. So lots of videos plus data-driven targeting equals the viewer getting more videos to their liking. And as a result, they're spoilt for choice. Which means if yours is irrelevant, they won't give it the reactions and love, and therefore no data, your video becomes invisible. So how can you stop this happening to your hard work? Using real estate as an example, you have to stop making videos about yourself and your stock and start becoming a valuable source of market and industry information. Videos that trigger people to have an opinion or an insight that in turn gets them to react and drive data points to platforms like Facebook. Ask yourself this question before you record your video. Instead of simply giving away the answer, how can you draw the answer out of your audience? Do that consistently and you'll get plenty of reactions that leads to more reach, more eyeballs, and ultimately more awareness. Hey, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate anyone who watches all the way to the end of one of my videos. This is the part where I do the YouTube thing. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, please consider leaving it a like below so that it feeds the algorithm and spreads these kinds of videos to people who are like-minded like yourself and wanting to learn more in this space. If you want to learn more about this type of content, the other step you need to take is to subscribe with the notifications bell on so the next time I do upload a video, you get told about it and you don't miss out. Now, if you're interested in storytelling, personality-driven marketing, or even viral content, the next suggestion I have for you is to pick yourself up a copy of this book. It took me about 6 years of research to compact everything that I know into 220 pages. It's got exercises and free downloads and really is a great starting point for anyone wanting to set their voice and market themselves using video. It's available in the US, the UK, Australia, South Africa, Europe, and even New Zealand through all good bookstores. And of course, you can pick it up online via Amazon and Booktopia. It's called Like, Comment, Share, Buy. There's a link to the Amazon site down below. All I can say is it's a great read for anyone who's a beginner in this space. And I'm really proud of it. So if you want to help me out even, buy this book, give it as a gift, whatever you want to do. It's there. Anyway, that's all from me. Catch you on the next one. Peace.